Hello, welcome back. Now we're going to go into the school structure section now. So, academic sessions. This is where we can choose our academic sessions. So, all we need to do is we come to academic session and click on academic session. Now, they say session name is here, all right? The status is active. This is what we set as active, and this is what we set them as active. We can actually edit, we can actually delete, okay? But if we want to add new session to the school, we come here and do add new. So we already have, well, let's cancel, right? Well, let's cancel. We already have 2024, 2025. So let's say we want to add 2025, 2026. We'll click on add new session. We'll come here and do um I say eg, this is it. So there is an example there. So go ahead and type in 2020, 2025 slash 2026, that way. All right, then you come to this part and select the date from where to where. So let's say 2025, 2026 starts, begins, let's say November. We'll click on the month and it will display. So we'll now go down the same 2025 but November. Click on November what? Let's go ahead and do November. This is Monday, right? 3rd. Okay. And it ends when? That's the session. Let's say it ends July 2026, 2026 July. All right, let's say July 3rd. That's on Friday, right? Then we'll now come here. If you know you're cool with this, you click on add session. If you're not cool with it, you go ahead and click on cancel. So what I'll do is I'll click on add session. You see academic session 2025 2026 added successfully. All right, the same thing appears at this point. So you see that it is inactive because this is not what we are using. The active one now is 2024 2025. But before that other one starts, maybe after the school has met and have decided on the proper appropriate date for the next session, they go ahead and do this, but it will be inactive. But as soon as you're done with this, you come to the actions. You see set active. All you need to do, you go ahead and do set active. You see that now academic section set as active successfully. If you check 2024, 2025, you see that it's inactive now. 2025, 2026 is now active. All right. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete this, fine, you go ahead and delete it. But for record purposes, it's good you just leave them. Okay. But if actually you want to set this one active, maybe you just created this and you just want to text them, okay, you go ahead and click on this one again, set active. You see that the status is has changed to active, and 2025 2026 are changed to inactive. So when you are done with it, like I said, you can actually go ahead and do active. So if you click on edit, say you want to edit even this one, you see that it's actually here. So if you want to change anything, maybe instead of 2024 slash 2025, you did 2024 slash 2028 by mistake as let's say error, you can now change it here and come here and click on update session. Everything will be corrected seamlessly. So this is it about the academic section. And also I'll go on to add the term. When you click on the term, you see add new term. You see academic section that you want to add the term. We've created 2025 2026. So if you want to add term to 2025 2026, I'll click on it and we'll come here. What term? Is it first term? Is it second term? Is it third term? Is it semester you use and all? So if it's term, you go ahead, because that one is going to be starting first term. Okay, we'll go ahead and add first term. So the date will now enter the first term's date from here. Okay, when you are done adding the first term date, you go ahead and click on the add term button here. All right, let's say for example let's say first term starts at this is we say first term is going to start at November, right? So let's say first term starts at November 2nd. Oh, let's choose November 1st, November 3rd. Actually, that's first term, and it ends, let's say December, let's say December, December 16th. Okay. Now we go ahead and do add term. You see that term is added successfully. All right, that's all you need to do. And here you have all the terms that the details of the term, like November 3rd, to December, the full session and all that. You have the details here. All right. So when you are done here, you can now click on back to dashboard. It will bring you back to this dashboard, and I'm going to break the video. So the next one, we're going to move to how to create our classes. See you in the next video.